Once upon a time, there was a man who lived in a village. He had a really bad habit of drinking alcohol every single day. Because of this habit, he would often get into fights with other people, and there were always arguments in his family because of it. His wife was really sad and worried about him because of this habit. She tried many times to convince him to stop drinking, and he tried too, but he just couldn't do it. Whenever she told him to quit, he would just say,
"I'm stuck with this habit. It's become a part of me now."
His wife became really worried about his husband's health and wanted him to stop drinking. Then, one day, the wife heard that a monk had come to their village. The wife took her husband to the place where the monk stayed. The monk listened to their problem and asked them to come back the next day for a solution. The next day, they went back to the monk's place, and they saw the monk holding onto a tree. They were confused and asked him,
"What are you doing? Why are you holding this tree?"
The monk, without giving an explanation, had asked them to come back tomorrow. The following day, they returned to the monk's place and found him once again holding onto the tree. Once more, the monk kindly requested them to return the next day. This went on for a week, and the man started to get annoyed. He asked the monk,
"Why are you still holding onto this tree?"
The monk replied,
"What can I do? The tree won't let go of me."
The man laughed and said,
"But you're the one holding onto the tree. The tree is not holding you. You can let go whenever you want."
The monk then released his grip on the tree. He smiled gently and began to explain.
"My friend, this is what I wanted you to understand. It is you who is holding on to the habit of drinking alcohol. The habit is not holding you. You can leave it whenever you want."
After hearing this, the man realized his mistake and understood that he's the one in control of his habits, not the other way around. He finally understood that, with determination and willpower, he could break free from his bad habit. Many times in life, we see people feeling really upset because of their bad habits. They want to quit, but they just can't seem to do so. These habits can be anything from lying and drinking too much alcohol to smoking and gambling. People know these habits aren't good for them and they want to stop, but they struggle to break free. The main reason is usually that they lack the determination and strength to change. However, if you're really determined and have strong willpower, no bad habit can control you. It's important to remember that when you decide to quit a bad habit, you should also try to pick up a good one in its place. Good habits lead to a brighter future. That's why they say you might not be able to change your future, but you can definitely change your habits, and that will shape your future for the better. This is Dharma Stories. Thank you for watching.